learning goal for today is I can subtract fractions with like denominators using models. Make sure to write your learning goal on your note-taking page. A rover needs to travel 5/8 of a mile to reach its destination. It has already traveled 3/8 of a mile. How much farther does the rover need to travel? Okay, so we have to think about what is the whole. The whole would be 8/8, or that would be our 1 mile. Well, it says it needs to travel 5/8 of a mile. So I've taken my whole piece here and I've divided it into 1/8. It says it needs to travel 5/8 of a mile. So it needs to travel 5/8. It has already traveled 3/8. So let's see, if we take away the 3/8 that it's already traveled, it would be left, it says how much farther does the rover need to travel? It would be left with 2/8. So we could determine that 5/8 minus 3/8 equals 2/8. So it started out traveling 5/8 of a mile, and then it had already traveled 3/8, so it has 2/8 left to go. Micah ordered a small pizza, which was cut into 6 equal slices. He ate 2/6 of the pizza and put the rest away for later. How much of the pizza did he put away for later? There's a couple of things I need to think. How much did Micah begin with? How many slices are in a whole? And how many slices did Micah eat? Okay, so how much did Micah begin with? Well, it said he ordered a small pizza, so we know that the pizza would have come out whole. So then we have to think, well, how many slices are in a whole? It says it was cut into 6 equal slices, so we would know that 6 would have to be the whole pizza. And how many slices did Micah eat? Well, he ate 2 of the pieces. It says 2/6 of the pieces. So here's his whole pizza, and here's minus the 2. Here's 1/6 and 1/6. There's the 2/6 of the pizza that he ate. And it says he put the rest away for later. So we need to know how much of the pizza did he put away for later. So if we started out with the whole pizza, so each one of the slices was 1/6, and we took away the 2/6 pieces that he already ate, then we are left with what he has left, which would be 4/6. So our equation would actually look like 1 whole pizza minus 2/6 equals 4/6. Let's find the difference, and let's use this model to help. Well, the first thing I notice is that 8 pieces are shaded in. So that's how I got 8/10. And then I also notice that I took away 3/10. That's how I got 3/10 minus 3/10. So 8/10 minus 3/10, and I'm left with everything else here. So this would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this would be 5/10 that I have left. Also notice that 5/10, what is the same as 5/10? It's right down the middle. So this would be the same as 1/2. Let's find the difference, and let's use a model to help. So 7/8 minus 5/8. Well, I know the whole piece would be 8 because that would be my denominator. So my whole piece would have to have 8 pieces. It has to be divided into 8 different pieces here. So I have 8 different pieces, of each one of them equaling 1/8. So now I have 7/8. If I shaded in 7/8, and then I took away 5/8, let me use a different color. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What am I left with? I'm left with 2/8 left. If I have 1 whole, let's take a look at this one here. 1 whole minus 1/3. I know that the whole would have to be 3 pieces. So I started out with all 3 pieces shaded in, but I only take away 1/3. So 1 minus 1/3 would equal 2/3 left. I want you to do a couple practice problems. Find the difference, and I want you to draw a model to help you. So 4/5 minus 2/5. Remember, if you're going to make the model, make sure to have the whole, which on the first problem would be 5 pieces. I'm giving you a big hint there. So 4/5 minus 2/5 equals what? And then the second problem I want you to try is 1 minus 5/8. If you have any questions, make sure to write them down on your note-taking page, and we'll discuss them in class tomorrow. I'll see you tomorrow.